Hello everyone! Salim! I would like to welcome you our first lesson. This is Жансая with you again, and I'm here to help you to learn Kazakh. Today we are going to learn family words. How to say father, mother, grandfather, daughter, sister, like these things. I think that you know them, but just repeat them. Our first lesson is family. First word is family, отбасы, relative, туысқан. Father, әке, mother, ана. Brother, аға or іні. Аға if it's older, іні younger. Sister, әпке. Grandparents, ата, әже. Parents, ата, ана. Grandmother, апа. You can also call әже. If your grandma is older than 70, you can call әже. Grandfather, ата. Uncle, аға. Aunt, тәте. Cousin, бөле. Nephew, жиен. Sister-in-law, жеңге. Brother-in-law, жезде. Daughter-in-law, келін. Son-in-law, күйеу бала. Mother-in-law, қайынене. Father-in-law, қайын ата. This is our vocabulary list for today. You can read them and repeat it with me. End of the lesson will be practice task and there will be answers. You can do and check it by yourself. I think that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Көріскенше.